Today, we're exploring an utterly wild and fascinating what-if scenario. What if the laws of physics suddenly stopped working? You see, our universe operates under a specific set of rules, commonly known as the laws of physics. These laws describe everything from the movement of a tiny electron to the spinning of galaxies. But what would happen if, one day, these laws just stopped? First, let's discuss gravity. It's the force that keeps us grounded, holds planets in their orbits, and stars within galaxies. So what if gravity suddenly clocked off? Well, nothing would hold us or anything else to the surface of the Earth. We'd all start floating away. Planets, no longer tethered to their stars, would sail off into the cosmos and galaxies would disperse. And then there's electromagnetism. This force is responsible for holding atoms and molecules together. It's why matter, well, matters. And light? That's an electromagnetic wave. So if electromagnetism stopped, all matter as we know it would disintegrate and light would cease to exist, plunging the universe into an eternal and complete darkness. Can it get worse? Absolutely. Because we still have the strong and weak nuclear forces to deal with. These unsung heroes are responsible for holding atomic nuclei together. With them out of the picture, all atoms would simply fall apart. The weak nuclear force also governs radioactive decay. If it stopped, so would all forms of natural radioactivity. And let's not forget the laws of thermodynamics. These govern how heat moves and how systems reach equilibrium. In a world without thermodynamics, there'd be no heat transfer, making it impossible to maintain or change temperatures. This would have massive implications on life as we know it, weather systems, and almost all technology. Finally, we venture into the surreal realm of quantum mechanics. These are the rules that govern particles on the smallest scales. Without quantum mechanics, it's almost unimaginable what would happen, since it directs so much of the behavior of matter and energy at the most basic level. So, in a nutshell, if the laws of physics just ceased to exist, reality as we know it would become nonsensical. We'd float away into a dark universe made of nothing, really, because atoms wouldn't even stick together. There'd be no heat, no light, no structures, no life. But before we end this video, remember that this is a theoretical scenario, quite impossible by our current understanding of the universe. These laws are deeply woven into the fabric of reality. We can't just switch them off like a light bulb. They're not external to the universe, but intrinsic to its existence. So there's no need to panic. The laws of physics are here to stay, making our universe a wonderfully predictable place, even with all its mysteries and oddities. That's all for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this fantastic voyage into the impossible. It may not be something we need to worry about, but it sure is fun to imagine. If you have any what-if scenarios you'd like us to explore, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more scientific mindbenders.